Welcome to the official Dorico YouTube channel, designed to help you get the most out of Steinberg's advanced music notation software. We've made dozens of videos showing you how to use every aspect of Dorico Pro, Elements, and SE, helping you to get up and running as quickly as possible. I'll be keeping you up to date with the lowdown on all the new features in every Dorico update. And if you want even more detail, there are regular Discover Dorico sessions with our resident expert, John Barron, streamed live monthly, with members of the Dorico team on hand to answer your questions. See how industry experts are using Dorico and how the software is helping to keep them at the top of their game.
I love the way you can insert things and the way it moves everything. I feel so comfortable and forward thinking and kind of made for what I'm trying to do.
I'd use Dorico to do multi-instrumentalist work above any other program because of the way it intuitively handles the individual player's part, but also enables me to see in the full score what I've written and what instruments are on stage.
It's logical and it makes sense. And there are lots of fantastic features which are very straightforward and very easy to use, like the Divisi feature, which is brilliant.
So whether you're just getting started with learning Dorico, or if you're here to learn more advanced tips and tricks, subscribe now and be notified whenever we add a new video.